YouTube family, I'd like to say thank you all once again for tuning back into the channel. Thank you. Today, Father's Day. Ralphlauren is having a 30% off Father's Day sale, so we definitely got to check that out. Shout out to all my fathers out there. Y'all keep going strong. And as far as the channel, I think right now we're maybe at still at 7,500, somewhere around there. But y'all know the goal, man. We like 2,500 subscribers or a little under that. So I go to 10K. I want to try to get there before my birthday, and I will not get there without y'all help. So once again, I like to say thank y'all. When we do get there, I don't know what I'll be doing, some type of giveaway, cash giveaway. I don't know. I'm gonna come up with something. It'll definitely be major. And if you haven't already, go ahead and sub to the channel, man. Sub, like, comment, all that good stuff, so we can get these videos out there to who need to see them, and so we can get this algorithm back popping. And if you haven't, y'all make sure, bro, sub to the YouTube. I'm sorry. Sub to my IG. That is Scotty_Nino, and it's the same thing on TikTok. So y'all, let's go hit this store and see what all they have in here today. Let's go. you guys, y'all know what time it is. We done made it back home. We didn't get anything out of the outlet today. We ended up stopping by Dillard's. Let me show y'all what we got. We grabbed an essential today. We just kept it real simple for Father's Day. The big pony, the white polo with the black horse, real simple. I know you guys are familiar with this. My only complaint about these right here is that they normally used to be in a lot of colors. Now they only have a few colors. For some reason, I think they used to have the owl red one with the black horse, and the black horse with the owl black with the red horse. I don't see those anymore. So nothing on the back if you ain't familiar with these. Oh, and these are a slim fit. So if you don't like your polo, you know, real slim, go a size up. Like I say, real simple. The 3 on the shoulder right here. And then see to this one, real simple. This will be the Father's Day fit. But I will get to try on and let you guys see how it looks. And this is the try on for the polo. Like I say, this joint here is a slim fit. So normally, y'all know I normally grab my polos in a large. With the slim fit, we did go up a size to the extra large. Like I say, the number 3 on the T with the big pony on the chest. Real simple. This is an essential, so I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all got this in your closet. So let me show you guys what sneakers that we will be matching up with this shirt for Father's Day. And as far as the sneakers, show you guys this box right here. A lot of y'all probably already know what this box is. This is a Air Jordan 4 box. And these are the Air Jordan 4 cement. Real simple, man. We just keep it for Father's Day. These are classics as well, so just made me kind of just want to go simple with the fit. Definitely have to do black cargos and some black jeans or something like that to match up with the black and white. Like I say, these are classics right here. You cannot go wrong with these joints. This is my first time having these though. I don't think I ever purchased these. No, I'm telling the field. I did have these before back in the day. I got them too big though. But yeah, man, y'all can see the fit right here. Real simple. Air Jordan 4s, the polo shirt. Y'all have it. Make sure y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think of this fit right here. Y'all feeling this right here. Let me know what was in the video that you did think was nice. And as far as the Jordans, y'all let me know what y'all think about these. These one of y'all favorite Air Jordan 4s all time or what? I got some people saying this is the best Air Jordan 4 all time. Not mine. I think the Bread 4 is the best Air Jordan 4 of all time. So if you haven't already, man, like I said, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video so we can get the algorithm going. And if you haven't, man, please sub to the channel. We're on our way to 10,000. Happy Father's Day to all y'all. Thank y'all once again. I'm out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Hey, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana twister, baby girl just want